Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic Introduction to Trigonometry, let's see what exactly is given in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution. So guys, as per this question it is given like if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So we need to check, like let us note down the question that is being given, and it is given like we need to prove or we need to see if 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So this is what we need to check, cos square A minus sin square A. So guys, I have drawn a right angle triangle which is right angled at B. This is right angled at B, and the angle, this is angle A and this is angle C. Okay, so our main point of focus will be at angle A, because as per the question it is tan A or cos A or sin A, so our main point of focus will be angle A. So let us move ahead and see what we can do. Now the given question is like, it is given like 3 cot A is equal to 4. This is what given. Okay, with this given or with this value, let us move ahead. How to solve? We can write 3 cot A is equal to 4. Therefore we can write cot A is equal to 4 upon 3, and we know that cot A is equal to, I can write this is equal to 4 upon 3, or this is equal to, I can write cot A is equal to adjacent side to angle A, that is AB, upon opposite side to angle A, that is BC. So guys, we saw that cot A is equal to 4 by 3, that is equal to AB by BC. That means AB and BC is in the ratio of 4:3. So let us put down these units like AB as 4 and BC as 3. Okay, with these things in hand, let us move ahead and find out the side AC using Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or AC square is equal to AB square is 4 square plus 3 square, or AC square is equal to 16 plus 9, or AC square is equal to 25, or AC is equal to root 25, that is equal to 5. So guys, we are able to find out the value for the side AC, that is equal to 5 units. Okay, now with these things in hand, let us move ahead and solve this equation and see if 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, now let us first of all find out the values for this one, then we will put the data in this equation and we will see. We have sin, cos and tan. So let us find out the value for sin A. What is sin A here? Sin A is equal to side opposite to angle A, that is BC, upon hypotenuse AC, that is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, or I can write sin A is equal to 3 by 5, or I can write sin square A is equal to 9 by 25. Just I squared this 3 by 5 and I got sin square A as 9 by 25. Similarly, let us find out the value for so we got sin square A as 9 by 25. This is one value important for us. Similarly, let us find out the value of cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side to angle A, that is AB, upon hypotenuse, that is AC, or that is I can write 4 upon 5. Similarly, I can write cos square A is equal to 16 by 25. Okay, this is what we got for cos square A. We got the value for cos square A as 16 by 25. Now let us find out tan. Tan A is equal to tan A is equal to side opposite to angle A, that is BC, upon adjacent side to angle A, that is AB. So that is equal to 3 by 4. Or I can write tan square A, or tan square A is equal to 9 by 16. This is another value. So guys, we are able to find out the values of these three things that is being asked in the question: tan square A, cos square A, and sin square A. Now let us put these values here and move ahead and see what we are getting. Okay. Okay. Now let us first solve left hand side. LHS, left hand side. So left hand side is given like 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Okay, that is equal to, I can write 1 minus tan square A. We got tan square A is 9 minus 16, 9 upon 16, upon 1 plus tan square A is 1 plus 9 upon 16. Let us solve this. Or that is equal to 1, that is equal to, I can write 16 minus 9 upon 16. Similarly, 16 plus 9 upon 16. That is equal to 16 minus 9 is 7 upon 16 upon 25 upon 16. Or I can write 7 upon 16 into 16 by 25. Just instead of division, I just reversed it for multiplication. So that is equal to, this 16 and this 16 cancels off, and I am left with 7 by 25. So guys, we got that 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to 77 upon 25. So let me write down. Therefore, left hand side, what we got? Left hand side is equal to 7 by 25. Okay. Or we can write like this, so that it would be, actually we should write like this in the exam also. Left hand side is equal to 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. So we need to be very particular while writing these things in the exam, so that a single mark will not be deducted, is equal to 7 upon 25. This is what we got in the left hand side. Now let us mark it as something like equation 1 or whatever it may be. Now let us find out right hand side. RHS. Right hand side, it is given as cos square A minus sin square A. So let us write down cos square A minus sin square A. So we know that cos square A is 16 by 25, or that is equal to 16 upon 25 minus sin square A, 9 upon 25, or that is equal to 7 by 25. Therefore we got right hand side, that is equal to cos square A minus sin square A is equal to 7 by 25. So let us put it as equation 2. Okay. Now guys, what we observed? We observed that left hand side is equal to 7 by 25 and right hand side is equal to 7 by 25. Therefore we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A is correct. So we can say is correct. This is our conclusion. Hope guys you understood this calculation. This calculation is very simple and straightforward, nothing extra is there. But still, if you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.